This is the Lucas 501 cutters. Weighs 19 kilos. It's been retrofitted with newer blades of a higher capacity than the original model. The feature of these new blades is that they can actually be machined once they've sustained some wear. Operate the tool, as within all Lucas hydraulic tools, as a thumb operated star control. Use the cutters to cut the A-pillar. So next, when cutting the bottom of the B-pillar, we're going to use new car technology cutting. We're going to use a 3-stage cut. We need to be mindful of where we're going to do that. At about here, on the inside, we have the seatbelt pre-tensioner, a very strong area of the car, and we also have our hinge on the outside. So our cut here is going to be across here. So for demonstration purposes here, we're going to assume that the B-pillar is much wider. We're going to do a 3-stage cut. One cut from here, one cut from here, and then a front-on cut. So our final cut, remembering that in a real situation our B-pillar is going to be, the cut will be twice as wide as it is here. So after exposing, we're going to cut the B-pillar at the top. So prior to cutting, we're going to look at the strength of the hinge. With our maintenance, specifically with our cutters, they have a tensioning bolt in the middle. After this tool is used at a job for any significant duration, or the cutters have done a lot of work, they have to be returned to engineering services to be maintained with the tensioning bolt tightened. Standard maintenance for all these tools includes wiping down the blades, getting rid of any dirt or debris that might be on them, check them for any adverse wear, check the shrouds to see if they need to be replaced, apply CRC if necessary to the tips and blades. Also need to ensure that the caps are replaced on all the tools to protect the delicate fittings. Should during the incident the tools be contaminated with any biological contaminants, we have ViraCare and all the appliances that should be applied to the tools and cleaned and inspected prior to leaving the scene.